All right, so today's topic, we're gonna be talking about trying to buy a home while you have to sell yours. What's the best way to do it? How does the process work? And what's the best approach? Now, this approach can be pretty difficult and complicated, but it can also be very simple, okay? So I'm gonna talk about the right way to do it and the wrong way to do it. So when you know you need to sell your home before you can buy the next home, first you need to speak with your realtor and you need to speak with your lender to make sure you can get the new mortgage, to see how things work on the cash flow standpoint, and what the market's looking like in your area. After you've done that, you need to talk to your realtor and formulate a plan of attack. So what we always recommend, if you need to sell your home in order to buy, we always recommend putting your house up for sale first. Once you have somebody that's offering on your home and you ideally have an executed contract on your home, then go seriously looking for houses, make an offer, go out into the market looking for houses to buy and make an offer with a home sale contingency. What is a home sale contingency, you might ask? It's pretty simple. What it means is you're making an offer on a house to purchase. However, you have to sell your current home before you can close on the new home that you're purchasing. So if you're a seller and you get an offer that has a home sale contingency, and then you get another offer that has a conventional mortgage and no home sale contingency, which one do you think you're gonna go with? The one without the home sale contingency. So when you make an offer with the home sale contingency to a seller, the seller has to weigh the risks to reward. Now, if you haven't even put your home on the market, but you're making an offer to purchase, I don't know many sellers that are gonna accept that kind of offer. So never make a home sale contingency before you even list your home, okay? That's step one. The ideal way to do it, and this is what we always recommend, is get your home listed on the market, give it a couple of weeks, see what kind of traction you're getting, and ideally get an offer, negotiate that offer, and then go out and search for a new home. If your current home is under contract and then you go to a seller to make an offer to purchase, your offer will look a lot stronger rather than making a home sale contingency without even listing your home. Now, if you wanna have a really good shot at getting your offer accepted by the seller, get your home under contract before you make an offer to purchase. And in a perfect world, your home is already out of the attorney review, the buyer's done their inspection and everything's looking solid on the deal. That makes our job as your realtor a lot easier to sell your offer to the seller's agent, because we're saying, yes, we have a home sale contingency and we need to sell before we can buy, but your home is already under contract. We've gone through the inspection and attorney review process and everything's looking solid. So the risk for the seller is a lot lower. Now let's talk about the specifics of the home sale contingency in your offer. When we present your offer, when you sign your offer, you're gonna notice a couple of dates and details regarding the home sale contingency. Now, the most important date on that home sale contingency, if you don't close on your home by X date, then the offer you're making to purchase is void and you won't be able to close. And that protects you. And the offer itself is going to allow you to mark, is your home currently listed? Is it under contract? Does that offer have a home sale contingency? Is that offer subject to a real estate closing? So it gives the seller a lot more specifics in the contract to feel more comfortable. Now, because you as the buyer can't fully commit and say to the seller, I'm buying your house no matter what, they get to have what's called a kick-out clause. And the kick-out clause is saying that the seller still has the right to market their home for sale. They're gonna mark it on the MLS as contingent, but they can continue to show it to prospective buyers. Now, if the seller gets a better offer that doesn't have a home sale contingency, they're gonna give you the right to waive your contingency and buy it as a normal transaction. Now, obviously, if you can't purchase this home without selling your home, you're not gonna be able to do it and the deal is gonna unfortunately break down. Every seller has the right to continue to market the home for sale to get a different offer. Because you can't fully commit, the seller doesn't wanna fully commit. But once again, if your home is already under contract and you have a home sale contingency, it's not as risky to the seller, and in most cases, they'll continue to show it if they get showing requests. But when most buyers' agents see that the MLS shows that it's marked contingent, they're usually not gonna waste their time and go see a home that's already under contract. So this home sale contingency process can be complicated if you let it be, but it can also be pretty straightforward and simple if you follow the rules and use the right game plan like I just detailed out for you. If you have any more questions on this or how it works or what the best route for you is, DM us, email us, or watch the other video on how to get your home to sell quick. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.